Hi class, my name is Eloise Ramirez. Let me just pull up really quickly some of the questions that are being asked. I apologize, I'm getting over a cold, so I hope that you guys can hear me okay. Okay, so my name is Eloise Ramirez. Why did I decide to take an elective about children and families at risk? I currently work in the field of child welfare, have been working in this field for about 5-7 years now. Children and families is what I'm interested in working in. I love working with children. I love working with families. Definitely have an interest in child abuse and neglect. I probably have been in my position as a intake caseworker for child welfare for about 4.5 years now. So taking an elective on child abuse and neglect just is more because I'm really interested in this field, specifically with children and families, and I'd like to be able to just learn more about child maltreatment, anything related to children, really. What do I hope to learn from this class? Really anything. I mean, I'm open to learning anything in regards to children and child welfare, working with children. I've worked with younger children more than adolescents, so I definitely want to be able to apply any skills that we're learning in this class in regards to youth and adolescents. I've worked with them before in the past, but I always find that when I work with them, it's a little bit challenging. So any tools that I can learn, anything in regards to just working with children, but mainly with youth, just because I know I'll continue to come into contact with them. And then just anything I can learn in this class about child maltreatment. One thing you think your classmates should know in regards to how you feel about child abuse? I hate it. Even though I love working in this field, there's days that I just, I hate working in the field sometimes. I think the hardest cases for me to work with, they're all bad. I think they're all bad. But when it comes to babies, or when it comes to sexual abuse, or just severe forms of physical abuse, I have a hard time with that. I have children of my own, and there are those days that I worked in this field for quite some time, so I feel like I have thick skin to be able to deal with a lot of the stuff that I hear about. But when it comes to those things of severe forms of physical abuse, or sexual abuse, or just anything with dealing with babies, I struggle a little bit. It just makes me want to go home and hold my children and love them more and hold them tight. And sometimes, if it's extreme details that I hear about some of these things, I just need to go and staff with my supervisor to kind of get things off my chest. But I think when it comes to those three things, I have a hard time with. I guess that's it for now. I look forward to working with you guys and learning from you guys and learning a lot from this class. Thank you so much.